Hello, I'm Kiranach. Android is a free operating system based on Linux kernel designed primarily for touchscreen devices such as smartphones and tablets. Android is developed by Google's Open Mobile Alliance. The Android user interface is based primarily on direct processing, using tactile gestures that are largely compatible with realistic movements, such as clicking, scanning, and finger linking, to manipulate objects on the screen, as well as the virtual keyboard to enter text. In addition to the touchscreen devices, Google has developed Android TV for Android TV, Android Auto, and Android Watch, each with a special user interface. Android types are also used on laptops, gaming devices, digital cameras, and other electronic devices. Android has the largest installed base among all operating systems of any kind. The best-selling tablet-based operating system since 2013, while smartphones are dominant by any standard. Initially developed by Android Incorporated, which was purchased by Google in 2005, Android was unveiled in 2007 with the establishment of the Open Mobile Alliance, a group of hardware, software, and communications companies aimed at upgrading the open standards of mobile phones. As of July 2013, more than 1 million Android applications have been published in the Google Play Store, including many business-class applications competing with mobile platforms, and more than 50 billion applications downloaded. A survey of mobile application developers conducted in April-May 2013 found that 71% of developers build applications for the Android platform. A 2015 survey found that 40% of full-time professional developers consider Android their target platform. In September 2015, Android had 1.4 billion active devices per month. The source code for Android is released by Google with open-source licenses, although most Android devices are eventually shipped with a set of open-source and monopolistic software, including the proprietary software needed to access Google services. Android is popular among technology companies looking for a ready-to-use, low-cost, and customizable operating system for high-tech devices. Its open nature has encouraged many developers and enthusiasts to use open source codes as a basis for public-driven projects that provide updates to legacy devices, new features for advanced users, or adapting Android to devices originally shipped with other operating systems. The success of Android has made it a target for patent litigation and copyright, as part of so-called smartphone wars among technology companies. Android has a huge community of developers who write and develop programs and applications for Android, and rely mainly on Java and Kotlin. Google Play is an online store and application on Android phones managed by Google. In September 2012, the number of applications in the store reached 675,000 applications and the number of downloads 25 billion downloads.